Is a demo of the MPC-1 by MPC Electronics, a company from Cambridge, England. This came out in 1983, retail price around £599, and was a follow-on from the MPC Electronics, the Kit. This was originally going to be called the Kit 2, but they just called it Music Percussion Computer 1. It's got 8 pads here, set up as a Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, Tom 4, and also snare, bass, closed hi-hat and open hi-hat. And at the moment it's set up for Tom 3, Tom 4, cymbal and clap, and just by pressing this button down here you can alter it to Tom 1, 2, 3 and 4. MPC later came up with some live stage pads, which are over here. Initially they were round, like this one here, and they have to be used with these two devices here, the MPC stage box, and below that alternatively the MPC trigger box, which is a cheaper interface. And all the interfaces for this system are through the back here, and there's a stage pad interface. There's also a computer interface here, which I'll go into a bit more shortly. Originally there was a bass pedal, that you could hit the bass with your feet, and there's also a pad select button here for a pedal, and various other versatile options. The actual mixing side itself has got bend, mix, pitch, decay, levels here for all the sounds, including individual outputs, which is really useful. And the built-in sequencer here, so it's not just a drum machine, it's also like an all-in-one system. You can program the drums or you can just trigger them. Here's more pads here, a silver one here, a round one, and a black one which is originally red. This has been painted by someone. They obviously didn't like the pinky red colour that it was. These are the interfaces. There's a Commodore 64 interface, and there was also a ZX81 interface for the Sinclair ZX81. And these were used for basically downloading saved stored patterns done by the user. Initially the bass pedal, so the bass pad was a small one here with a tripod. Apparently in America they asked to be a little more like the Simmons one, so they revised the pad design and came up with this octagonal one here, like the bass one here, and the smaller tom pad. For more information on the MPC Electronics and the MPC systems, check out this book here, 95-page, all in full colour, called Thwack by Alex Graham. It's out now on Amazon. So the British electronic drums age from 1978 all the way up to 1994 and the demise of Simmons. All of the content of this book is also featured in Electronic Drumfax, which is a 200-page all-colour book here covering all the electronic drums that came out from Impact in the early 1970s through to Syndrum, Simmons, all the way up to 1989. Again in full colour. If you want a black and white version of that, it's much cheaper. It's called Drumfax 4. It's the same content as Electronic Drumfax. Everything is in black and white, however. And again, the two colour ones are Thwack here and Electronic Drumfax. And there's the MPC pages, all in colour in the Thwack book.